We're here it's Tottenham Park or Spanish Town? Central Village. And where are we?
National Housing Trust.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Romain Morrison.
Romain Morrison is collecting a package. How long have you been using our service?
Over 2 years now.
Over 2 years now. Are you a happy customer, sir?
Proud customer.
Alright, would you recommend us to anybody?
All over the world.
All over the world. You hear that, guys? He's recommending us all over the world. We're here at NHT. So tell me something. Can I get a loan since I'm delivering your package?
Once you're qualified, you get a loan.
May I have to qualify first, guys. Alright, guys, in order to qualify for us to ship your package, all you need to do is go on our website, click the sign up button. Me like that. Stand up. Show the people how the man stand up. You stand up like a soldier. Click the sign up button and you meet all the prerequisites. You can just join us and we'll ship your package from overseas and get it delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Alright, guys. Alright, sir. Can you tell them bye-bye for me, please?
It was nice doing business, sir. Have a wonderful day. Travel safe. Thank you.
Alright, I hear that. We're going to travel safe. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Later. Bye.